I'm selling or trading my 2014 Yamaha FZ-09. It has 6,085 miles on it. I have done grazed block-off plates for the EGR that's blocked off, a GPR exhaust, and it has a cat in it. It's just a little one that goes in the back of the exhaust because it was way too loud before I put that in there. I got lighted hand grips, and it's tuned by V-Cycle Nut. It's a guy out of Florida that specializes in these, and it rips. I sent out, had it tuned, got it back. It's direct plug and play. It works great. I've not had a single issue with this bike. I have side bags. They're over there on my dehumidifier that fit. I have made to fit the bike. It's good for whenever you go someplace and you want to put something in the bike. Plus, if you look at it, the back end of it just kind of looks empty. It's not really much to the back end of these, so the bag's kind of tied together and everything. Basically, I'm looking to sell or trade this for a sport touring bike of equal value. Really looking for like a Honda Interceptor, a VFR 800, but the bike is just too radical for me anymore, and I'd like to get something to tone it down just a little bit. So one thing that it should have is somebody should probably replace the front tire. Since I'm getting rid of it, I didn't replace it, but as you can see, it's getting down there pretty good. The back tire is still like new. It doesn't even have any wear to it, basically. So if you're interested, hit me up. I'm gonna list it up for $5,500 or best offer. I've compared prices online, and $55 seems to be the cheapest price I've found online. Plus, they had twice the mileage on that this thing has. So, this bike is ready to go. I just rode it the other day. I probably still will ride it until I sell it. But if you're interested, hit me up on Facebook, Messenger, and I'll get right back to you.